one phase of my life. Now I have embarked on a new journey in Toastmaster. So here is my first step, the icebreaker, the journey from teacher to Toastmaster. I am a very happy and jolly person. I was born in West Bengal in the year 1955. So by birth, I am Bengali. But first 10 years of my life, I have spent in Dehradun, in the then UP, and now the capital of Uttarakhand. As my father was in ONGC, so due to his transfer, I have spent 5 years of my life in Sibsagar, a very beautiful place in Assam. Then, from 1970 onwards, I'm in Baroda. I did my schooling from Kendriya Vidyalaya Harni, my bachelor's, master's in economics from MS University, as well as my BA from Gujarat University. As the effect of three zonal parts of India, North, East and West, mingled in me, I am Sarva Bharatiya. I feel very proud of being an Indian. But I love Baroda. East or West, Baroda is the best. After retirement, my father settled in Baroda. He could not think of leaving Baroda. So do I. I am a complete Barodian. Fellow Toastmasters and most welcomed guest. For 28 years, I was associated with Bright School Baroda. I was truly satisfied with my profession and served the institution with all my dedication and devotion. I had given my best. My colleagues and my students, they used to call me Sarkar Madam, and as my name is Gitanjali, so I used to sign as G Sarkar. This particular G Sarkar become Hindi wala G Sarkar among my staff member, and whenever I used to ask them to do something, they used to answer me, yes G Sarkar ji ho jayega, don't worry. My colleagues were very nice, my students were very good. In totality, the life was awesome and smooth. I don't know how I had passed my 28 years as a teacher. Finally, on June 2014, I retired. I received a grand farewell. My juniors spoke very nice thing about me. Even the management had appreciated my ability to work and sincerity for duty. So many gifts and bouquets were there in front of me, but I was not happy. Suddenly, I felt that with this grand show, management is giving me the legal notice that I was no more a part of this institution. I felt as if I was thrown out from my known world. I was very depressed and irritated. Many a times, I used to behave very harshly with my husband. He was very calm and gentle towards me. He said me, please don't be impatient and have patience. As month or two passed, I accepted my plight, things becoming normal to me. But on 15 September 2014, my dear husband passed away due to an acute heart attack. It was a great setback to me. I felt as if I have sunk inside the deep ocean, in a deep ocean of grief. In this grave situation, both my daughters became my rescuer. They inspired me to pursue my old hobbies. They told me, do something which you like. My younger daughter started bringing good books to me and I took interest. in books. Slowly and steadily, I started reading books. But reading books also could not satisfy my heart. I want furthermore. Then my elder daughter suggested me to be the part of Toastmaster Club. I was reluctant. I told her, I am quite old. No one will like me. But she told me very firmly, Ma, don't worry, in our club there are many members of your age. You just try it once. And she only searched and gave me the name and number of Sir Dipankar and the address of TM Club. And that is the result. I am standing in front of you. Had she not inspired me for this, I could not have met such a wonderful and amazing set of people and speaker like you all. I think that this TM Club is a ray of hope for me. It will break my ice wall of depression and bring me up from my melancholy, as if I can march forward successfully with my head held high. Wow. Thank you.